with the aerial view escape.
It's the colors you have. No need to be sad.
No need to be sad.
It really ain't bad.
It really ain't that bad. Good morning, guys. We are going to pick up Turbo's bike in the freezing cold, so we will meet you guys over there. It's too cold to sit out here and talk forever. Alright, well here's the Turbo GSXR 600. You happy, Turbs? Yep. Oh, yeah.
There's the Turbo, Turb.
Now it's time to go get this baby cleaned up and figure out what her problem is.
What follows is a brief construction montage.
You getting this, Chucky?
Oh yeah, well, we're over here working on the, pulling the spark plugs right now. We already pulled one and it was bad, so he just went to get some spark plugs. We're gonna throw them bad boys in here and see if she'll fire them. Hopefully she will. We got the boost over here. I don't know if Austin might be able to get to the problem and show you. Maybe.
Yeah, I should be able to.
There. We got, that's next on the list, is getting that bad boy going.
I don't know if y'all can see it, but
Oh man.
it's this bolt.
Oh man, look at this.
Hold on, it's that bolt like right there. I don't know if y'all can see that or not. Yeah, it's bad. Can't get to it.
Mounts out of it. So.
Oof. Oof.
All right, but look at this plug though, bro. Come on, look, y'all gotta see this one right here. Y'all gotta see it. Look at that. I think she's gonna fire. I think she's gonna fire with the new set of plugs.
Oh yeah.
And these babies were in there. Like, they definitely didn't use anti-seize, so.
Here, I'll get the next one.
Here, we'll keep this one. No, I got it.
Man. $600. GSXR.
Yeah, these puppies were tight.
Oh yeah.
Maybe they used Loctite on the plugs, I don't know. No, I'm just playing. They definitely did not use anti-seize.
What you need
These
to
might
do
be
in
the original
aluminum,
plugs.
What you need to use anti-seize in aluminum heads. Aluminum heads.
Alright, so yeah, we're gonna continue getting these plugs out. Trey and Travis just went on a run to AutoZone to get some new plugs and a filter and some anti-seize and all that. So we'll snap back to you guys whenever the new plugs are going in, and it might just be the plugs in already because I gotta go to work here pretty soon, so we'll see. Well, about 30 minutes later, $34 or so for some new plugs for a $500 bike. Here we go. First ride. Yeah.
No, he can't even touch.
Look at him.